Hey guys, I'm gonna be making pastil. I'm getting I'm getting culinary smart. I am no longer gonna stay academically smart. I will become both. I'll become academically smart and culinary smart. I will be smart in all areas. Smarter than all of you. Joke. So yeah, I'm making dough. Ayan, hire me as your personal chef so one day, okay? Whoever's watching this. I am smart. I am smart. I am absolutely no. I am absolutely culinary smart now. Actually me. Nalagay na? Alright. Now, I'm gonna go put this here. And then, I will put a bit of, I'll put a bit of this here. Put a bit of this. I'll put a bit of bihon. Wait, hope it's not a bit too much. Wait, see if it fits. And let's remove the excess. There. So it's a bit too much now. And then remove a bit. Let's just make it fit in. Ayan. No. Wait, double pa. Okay. Yeah. Crushing it. Crushing the thing. And pressing it. See guys? I'm so smart. I'm smarter than Albert Einstein at this point. Nah, that's not really. I'm just becoming smart. I'll show you how great I'll become the greatest chef when I grow up. This is the beginning. If you want me that I want. Also guys, forgot to mention, this is pastil. Is it not English? Usually, this is what my dad loves to eat. So yeah. Wait. Alright. So let's see. Tada! It's good. It's quite good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have evolved. Yeah, that's one I can make. The other ones are made by my mom. Props to her.